If you want to instantly engage your audience, the numbers game is for you. One of my favorite things to do at an event is to engage the audience, to break the fourth wall as fast as possible. And we have found that the numbers game is one of our greatest hits, if you will, at Elevate Experiences to do just that. Now, down below, you'll be able to see a link where you can actually pick up this game. It's a very easy way for you to download it and use it to where all the work behind the scenes, we've done that for you. We made it really simple. But let me describe this game to you. Inside of the instructions that you'll get for this event, if you decide to pick this up from us, is downloadable instructions. It's all the slides that you need. It's all the pieces you'll need to make the event really, really seamless and fun for your crew. But the powerful part of this game is the emotion that it elicits, and it's so easy. It translates across different backgrounds, folks in different countries, from different parts of the country, within the US or wherever you might be. Numbers matter, scoreboards matter, and so this game is incredibly simple. Here's how it works. The game itself, you'll bring people up on stage. You'll have about 2 different groups, maybe 4 groups, depending on how many groups that you want to bring on stage, between 5 and 10 people apiece. I recommend this is best played with 2 groups of 5, honestly. If I could just give you the best way for the first time you run this. Each of those 5 people are going to have numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, you need to make sure that you choose numbers in your templates that have those 5 numbers in them. You're just basically going to jumble the numbers up, and the folks on stage have to hold their sheet of paper in order. They've got to get there as fast as possible. So let's say it's 23,145. They have to move in order. The team that gets there in order first gets a point, and then they have to go back to their order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the back of the stage. And when you call the next number, they move to the front and get the proper order. Now, this sounds incredibly easy. We have the instructions laid out for you exactly how to walk through it step by step. And I promise you, if you're a host that might be a little bit nervous in front of people, you're somebody who's brand new at hosting, this makes it 100% about the audience. They become the stars of the show. You're just simply facilitating an easy experience. Now, the numbers game, the reason we're doing this quick video, we've got this on YouTube. Obviously, you might be watching this on one of our other channels. We wanted to put this out to let you know that we did a video previously, and this game has sold so much, we've had so much success around this video, we wanted to produce a newer version of it and let you know that we now have provided a way for you to download this and do this yourself. So click the link below, make sure you go check that out, and we will be honored to partner with you on your next event through the numbers game.